Menchacho Bibia na Minsamo Bibia Kwaba and Fambra Ayeka TV. And any day the can team, I'm also be subscribe to my channel. Obe like you know, subscribe so at the amami now. Do I don't so a good comment section where we should can be among for Pepe. Godfrey Yeboah Odame Abra Court Quasitana Ewo a ambulance trial no hono. Just a Godfrey Odame at the 68 a year messages are which Jakpa 18 and send their money evidence a chase ɔmo ho bɛkye ɔmo yie paa kyerɛ sɛ ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa na ɛyɛ court ɛtena asɛm no so conclude asɛm no ɛde deɛ ɛda ɛde to gye bɛyɛ ne nkotie nsɛm no di asɛm a ɛkɔsi wɔ court kɔba ɛba abɛtoa so aha yɛ Ayeka TV aha yɛ de update ɛne trending news nkwa na ɛde so mi viewers ɛne ayɛfo ɛne ne deɛ ɛdi kan team a mɛsɛ sɛ ana subscribe ama mi da wɔ bibi ase yɛkɔba ɛba abɛtoa so.
Really causing financial loss to the state amounting to 2.37 million euros through the procurement of ambulances. Both have pleaded not guilty and are currently standing trial. Now let's cross over to Jeffrey, who is in the court. Jeffrey Atipo joins us for more details. Jeffrey, good afternoon to you. Hello, Jeff. Yes, good afternoon. I'm sorry, unmute. If you can unmute, you're not audible. Yes, kindly unmute.
Annie, right. Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes, we can hear you. Kindly give us updates. What's happening? Right. Has the cross-examination started?
Yes, Annie. As I speak with you now, proceedings have started in the courtroom. And I might say that, it's going to be the Attorney General, Godfrey Dami, coming face to face against the third accused person in this particular case, Richard Jakpa. Attorney General is going to be cross-examining the third accused person based on the allegations that he made against him regarding some meetings that they had. Mind you, the other day in court, that was on Thursday last week, the third accused person, Richard Jakpa, gave some damning revelations about things that happened, conversations that happened between him, the Attorney General, and Justice Kulendi in Justice Kulendi's house, and other matters that he spoke about. Now, the third accused person says that he met with the Attorney General, Godfrey Dami, and Minister of Justice 4 times before in 2022, and in Justice Kulendi's house, where they have several conversations. The Attorney General, tries to, convince him to give judgment or to make, to give evidence in support of him, just to get the honorable member of parliament for, or the minority leader, Honorable Dr. Jakpa Ato Forson, just for him to be jailed for at least 1 month, which he declined. But quite apart from that, he also told the court that the ambulances that he acquired, the current government went ahead to procure same brand of ambulances, the vehicles and the equipment as well, which is currently being in operation right now. But they've decided to abandon what the previous government has contracted him to bring to the country. So he made a lot of revelation. He also told the court that day that some of the equipment are still at the port 8 years now, which the government decided not to clear. So a number of issues the third accused person raised on the other day, which the Attorney General's team, because the Attorney General himself wasn't in court that particular day, but his team was there, led by his deputy, Afetia Yeboah, but they were not able to object anything on that day. All the pronouncement that the third accused person made, they weren't able to make any objections to it. So today is the turn of the Attorney General's office. His team are there seated. The judge, Efiasawa Sareboche, is seated. Proceedings have started. And I will just be getting in there to get the information as to what exactly Godfrey Dami is going to be asking Richard Jakpa. How Richard Jakpa is going to be responding to the issues, I'm sure it's going to be very, very interesting at the end of the day.
Has Godfrey Dami, giving us a definite response as to who is going to do the cross-examination?
Can you,
I'm asking if Godfrey Dami will do the cross-examination himself.
Well, before I leave the courtroom, he wasn't in there. But one thing is that over here, there are many routes you could use to get to the courtroom. So where I'm standing now, I haven't seen Godfrey Dame. I've seen his deputy. I've seen his legal team who are represented in the courtroom, the financial court too. They are in there. But I am yet to see Godfrey Dame. But it will be interesting because it will be a lot of people will be looking forward to Godfrey Dame himself putting the questions before Richard Jakpa as to the allegation that he leveled against him during the conversation, a tape, although which is currently in evidence at the court. It will be very interesting for Godfrey Dame himself to come face to face with Richard Jakpa. I'll give him the questions and then Richard Jakpa responds. But as we speak now, I haven't seen him. I may have to get in there to find out if he's there himself. But honestly, he has to be he himself.
Thank you so much for the updates there.
But I can also tell you that some members of the minority are here. Today, for instance, I've seen quite a number of them, including Honorable John Zinapo. They are all in the courtroom right now in solidarity of their leader, Honorable Dr. Jakpa Ato Forson. He told me that they are expecting more of their members to be here. So Parliament, as it stands now, there's nothing happening over there. All the members of Parliament, particularly from the minority side, are going to be represented here. A number of them are here already, I must say, Annie. So it is Godfrey Dame against Richard Jakpa in this particular, just this afternoon.
Thank you very much, Jeff, for that detailed picture you have actually painted to us here.
Recently, you call Senegal, you call monitoring, so I think on that score, we are not doing badly. And locally, so they're able to me
locally,
say a public policy advocacy ejumani and adia bakon ayaka ho sema I'm say Nora and I said Norachi I fear which was the 14th of July or June 2024 graphic front page me who say yes yati kubi Omo ye Ghana ye 1992 constitution. Near President Mills started ya oka baby a sebi ehu baby a jomama de fire no. Akoyese nanu ya Vice President Dr. Bawumia on the 4th of November ewo UPSA or done a policy edino after
board policies no.
Yeah, after he became flag bearer no. Oka constitution wasem. Senya kopo na duma na Ghana for money to me na baby President Mills ye adwumani dru ye no obeto aso enti no na no fiada me hu say graphic front page yes yate ekubia near President Mills ye baby odru ye no omofa nkrata no epuprumu ama nyama bia